Hi children, today we are going to learn about birds. Birds. This is macaw, cock, eagle, sparrow, owl, pigeon, peacock, crow. These are all birds. Let's fix the puzzle. This is macaw. Macaw is a colorful parrot. This is owl. Owl is a night bird. Next comes eagle. Eagle has sharp eyes. Our next bird is cock. Cock. Next is sparrow. Sparrow. Crow. Crow. Next is peacock. Peacock. Our next bird is pigeon. Pigeon. These are all birds. Birds. Macaw, cock, eagle, owl, sparrow, pigeon, peacock, crow. These are all birds. Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.